everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, July 29th, and I'm here with some new Batiks by Hoffman Fabrics, and I wanted to reintroduce the March to Noel kit. So the first thing up is the new Batiks. These are all by Hoffman Batiks, and they play as blenders or solids in our batik collection and help to fill in the colors that you may be looking for. So we have a selection of grays, yellows, and kind of rusty tans over here. And on this side we have a blue, a green, kind of mustard yellow, and a pretty forest green. So those will be added to our batik collection. Batiks continue to roll through the shop super fast, so we're trying our best to keep the shelves filled for you. The next thing I want to show you is the March to Noel kit. This kit does make a 72 by 90 inch quilt, but it also has patterns within this box to make table runners and table toppers. So our own Roberta spent some time making this beautiful table runner with the fabric and patterns from the kit. And she also made this table topper, which I'll show you over here. I don't know if that's right side up. With fabrics and patterns that you find in this kit. So not only will you find the quilt pattern in the kit, you'll also find some bonus patterns. I know she's also working on some placemats currently. So she's gonna have a whole house of March to Noel before the season arrives. She also let me know that one of the things that's really handy in creating this piece, especially for the these points right here within the patterns, these points, she really likes using the V-block ruler by Deb Tucker 180 Designs to get those points specifically perfect for each of her blocks. So the V-block ruler, if you have it, would be a great addition if you decide to purchase this kit. If not, it's a great thing to have for lots and lots of projects. You can see on the back that same shape that I showed you in the quilt right there, which is what this ruler is specifically great at doing, is helping you get those Pekian spikes or triangles in a square perfectly aligned. So that's what we have for you today. We hope that you have a lovely, lovely Wednesday. Stay inside if you're in our area because the heat is ridiculous, and we will see you again here tomorrow. Have a great afternoon.